Some don't. Again, online doesn't, unless you tell them you want it. All right, so all your contents on the house, that you're going to get paid without depreciation. Okay, I think it's important. Next, oh, and that was $100, so it's about what, $8 a month. Next, specified additional amount of insurance for coverage A. What that says is, cost for that's $80. All right, I get an extra 50%. I'm paying for it. So if my house burns down and it costs $850,000 to rebuild instead of $626, they'll do the extra 50% to give me coverage. Most people will carry 25%. Again, the difference was maybe to go to 50 was another $3 a month. Again, that's coffee.
You're only paying 50% of the extra 250.
No, 50% of 626. So they'll pay another round it to 300,000. Okay.
So pay the whole thing, yeah.
Yeah, you know, you have building costs are exploding. You know it more than anybody, and you get a quote today and a quote because Home Depot is now out of materials, and these expenses are ridiculous. Okay. You need to be careful. And one other thing, I'm going to digress a little. On coverage A, B, C, and D, all right, they will pay out up to the max of each limit. So if your house burns down, it's not $626 and you're done. They can pay out the extra $62,000 for the pertinent structures. They can pay out $250,000 on the property, in the personal property, and then the loss of use of $125,000. So that claim could easily be $1 million by the time they're done. Maybe even go over $1.5 million with the additional cost endorsement. Okay. So next one. This one is more, if you're the type when you're buying a car and you like to get all the bells and whistles, and that is me. So they love me when I come. All right, is earthquake. I have it, $219 for the year. Again, $18 a month is how I look at it. Now, do I think it's worth it? I'm like this. But if the claim occurs due to an earthquake, which we are on a major fault line, we've just never had a California style, okay? If it does occur due to an earthquake, your insurance is not paying, all right? I have a homeowners. I got it, homeowners, and I never really talked to someone like Steve. I just have average homeowners. Well, your average homeowners is not going to pay for the earthquake unless you're paying that extra money. $219 for the year.
Is that in the fine print that they will not pay due to an earthquake?
Any claim that occurs on a policy, yes. Any claim that occurs on a policy, you have to look at what caused the claim. Okay? And I'll give you a better example in another minute. All right?
Were you saying that was a car as well? Or did I mishear you? A car for earthquake case?
No, I wasn't talking about a car.
Oh, okay.
It's okay.